Hey, Silence Ridewell here. Today I'm going to talk about tools that riders need in their toolbox, not their tack box. Today we're going to talk about breathing. It's a big issue. Maybe you've done some yoga. In yoga, awareness of your breathing is associated with motion in your body. You inhale and exhale on specific movements. You wouldn't think of doing something like running and not breathe. How about riding a bicycle? Playing soccer? Basketball? You wouldn't think of working out and hold your breath. Doing something aerobic? Lifting weights? Push-ups? How about dancing? I think by now you're probably getting my point. If you're not breathing when you're riding, you're going to run out of breath. And you're going to teach your horse to hold its breath. So the connection of movement to breathing are critical for performance. Happy riding!